Let's take a look at the QuickBooks Online integration with ProEst. First, we need to go to System Settings, Company Setup, Integrations, and here we'll switch on QuickBooks Online. It'll ask you to connect to QuickBooks, and then for you to sign in. Next, it will ask you to authorize into it to securely share your data with ProEst. We can click Connect, and once connected, we can close this window. Then we'll go into the QuickBooks Setup, and here it will ask you what integration type you want to use. So we can either create an estimate by summary or create a detailed estimate. I'll show you how both of those get sent over in a minute. We first though need to click on Synchronize Now, which will bring over the QuickBooks products and services to the ProEst accounting codes. The reason we use the product and services from QuickBooks is because ProEst allows 5 cost types in one item, where QuickBooks only allows 1 per line item. Another reason we use products and services is because QuickBooks, you can have the products and services set up with multiple accounting codes. Once the sync is complete, we can then go over to the ProEst accounting codes and map out the ProEst divisions and subdivisions with the QuickBooks products and services. In the Estimate Center, we can then send an estimate over to QuickBooks. Make sure you have already mapped out your accounting codes so the items have the product and services assigned to them in the estimate. First, we'll send over the sample QB summary estimate. We'll click on the setup icon and we'll change our estimate status from active to awarded. Be sure you have awarded set to stage closed 1 in the estimate setup. This will trigger the estimate to go over. Also, you need to have a relationship and a contact assigned to the estimate as well. When we click Save, the estimate will then be sent over. In QuickBooks, we can go to Sales, click on the client we sent over the estimate to, and we can open up the estimate. Here, you'll see the different products and services that were in the estimate assigned with the rate and the total amount. Again, this is just a summary, so it doesn't show all the detailed line items that came across. Now let's send over an estimate by detail. Back in ProEst, we first need to go to the System Settings, Company Setup, Integrations, and again in Setup, we'll change the integration type to Detail. Close the window and go back to the Estimate Center. We'll go down to the Detailed Estimate. Again, change the estimate status from active to awarded. Make sure there's a relationship and contact assigned and click on Save. Back in QuickBooks, underneath the same client, we'll see the other estimate has been assigned. When we open up this estimate, instead of seeing a summary view, here you'll see the individual line items with their quantity and their rate with the total amount. Again, you might see the same line item twice because one line item could be representing material while the other line item is representing labor. We've now successfully sent over estimates to QuickBooks Online.